Hello friends, today's topic small rally in Nifty for the last 2 days. 5 reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today was the second consecutive day of rally for Indian markets. Nifty, mid cap and small cap indices were above between 1.5 to 3% today. Markets are almost a 4 weeks high. Investors may be feeling some respite after many days of negative closes. Following are some reasons for the small rally in the last 2 days. 1. Global market cues. US, European, Asian markets have been positive for the last 2 days. So markets have been rallying along with the other global markets. It looks like the import tariff concerns all being priced into the current stock market. 2. Improved economic parameters. In the recently announced inflation figures for February, retail inflation was 3.6%, which was a 7-month low. GDP growth for October-December 2024 quarter was 6.2% compared to 5.4% in July-September 2024. Industrial output for January 2025 was 5.1, which is much higher than 3.5% in December 2024. India's trade deficit fell to a 3.5-year low. The net direct tax collection grew 13.1% to about 21.27 lakh crore so far this financial year. The government has budgeted to collect 22.07 lakh crore in the current financial year from direct taxes. All this shows that the economy is gradually recovering from a slowdown. We will need to see how the GDP growth of January-March 2025 quarter will be. 3. Stronger rupee. The rupee has slightly appreciated to 86.66 compared to a recent low of 87.47 around 2 to 3 weeks back. Rupee appreciation is especially important for FIs since it will encourage re-entry into the Indian stock markets. 4. China stimulus measures. China has recently announced stimulus measures to boost consumption. Retail sales and fixed asset investment growth were stronger than expected. Shares of domestic metal manufacturers gained an expectation of increased demand from China. 5. Uptrend from oversold zone. In the first week of March, Nifty had fallen to oversold zone as per RSI. It had fallen to around 22 on 4th March when Nifty was around 22,080. Now it has recovered to 22,800 and RSI has gone up to 52. It could face some resistance at around 23,000 level. Here is an announcement. This is an online workshop in Canada creating wealth from mutual funds. Sunday, 23rd March, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Course fee 499, but for the first 30 participants it is only 299. Seats are limited to first 70 people. What will you learn in this online workshop? Basics and types of mutual funds, how to do online research about mutual funds through websites. For whom is this workshop? For people who want to learn about mutual funds, the basics. For people who want to invest in mutual funds for diversification apart from stocks. For more details and register for the workshop, click on the link in the description box below. Here is another announcement. ಇದೀಗ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಹೂಡಲು ಸಕಾಲವೇ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ for all channel members today 18th March Tuesday 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. Enter the video. Here is the question. Do you feel the bottom of Nifty has been formed around 22,000 level? Yes or no? You may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.